Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell debugging. Today, we're diving into Set-PSBreakpoint, a powerful tool that will help you find and fix bugs in your PowerShell scripts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your debugging skills, this cmdlet is essential for writing reliable code. Set-PSBreakpoint is a PowerShell cmdlet that pauses your script execution at specific points. Think of it like pressing pause on a video player. When your script hits a breakpoint, it stops running, giving you a chance to inspect variables, test your logic, and identify exactly where bugs are occurring. This makes debugging much easier than trying to figure out problems after the script has finished running. Breakpoints offer several key advantages. First, you can inspect variable values while your script is running, seeing exactly what data your code is working with at any moment. Second, you can test conditions and logic flow in real time to verify your code behaves as expected. Third, breakpoints help you pinpoint the exact locations where errors occur, saving you hours of guesswork. Finally, you can step through your code line by line, analyzing each step of the execution process. Set-PSBreakpoint supports 3 types of breakpoints, each serving a different purpose. Line breakpoints pause at a specific line number in your script. Command breakpoints pause when a specific command executes, regardless of where it appears. Variable breakpoints pause when a variable is read or modified, helping you track how data changes throughout your script. Each type gives you different ways to control and observe your code's execution. Line breakpoints are the most straightforward type. They pause execution at a specific line number in your script. The syntax is Set-PSBreakpoint, followed by the script parameter with your script path, then the line parameter with the line number. For example, to pause at line 10 in a script called test.ps1, you would use Set-PSBreakpoint-script, the full path to your script, -line 10. When your script reaches that line, it stops and waits for your input. Command breakpoints pause whenever a specific command is executed. This is useful when you want to monitor how often a particular cmdlet runs or examine its behavior. The syntax is Set-PSBreakpoint-command followed by the command name in quotes. For instance, Set-PSBreakpoint-command "getProcess" will pause your script every time getProcess is called. You don't need to specify a script path, as it works across any running script. Variable breakpoints pause when a variable is accessed or modified. This helps you track how data changes throughout your script execution. The syntax is Set-PSBreakpoint-variable, followed by the variable name in quotes, then -mode to specify when to pause. For example, Set-PSBreakpoint-variable "username" "-mode write" will pause whenever the username variable is modified. This is extremely helpful for tracking down unexpected value changes. Variable breakpoints support 3 access modes. Read mode pauses when a variable is read or accessed. Write mode pauses when a variable is modified or assigned a new value. ReadWrite mode pauses on both read and write operations, giving you complete visibility into how that variable is being used. Choose the mode based on what you need to debug. Write mode is most common since you typically want to know when data changes. Once you've set breakpoints, you need to manage them effectively. Get-PSBreakpoint displays all active breakpoints in your session. Remove-PSBreakpoint-id followed by the breakpoint ID permanently removes a specific breakpoint. Disable-PSBreakpoint-id temporarily turns off a breakpoint without deleting it. Enable-PSBreakpoint-id reactivates a disabled breakpoint. Each breakpoint gets a unique ID when created, which you use to manage it. Let's recap what we've learned. Set-PSBreakpoint pauses script execution, allowing you to debug effectively. There are 3 types of breakpoints. Line breakpoints pause at specific lines, command breakpoints pause when commands execute, and variable breakpoints pause when variables are accessed or modified. Use Get-PSBreakpoint and Remove-PSBreakpoint to manage your breakpoints. Most importantly, breakpoints help you inspect values and identify bugs efficiently, making you a more effective PowerShell developer. Practice using these techniques, and you'll find debugging becomes much easier.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.